Okay, so Carbide scraper. This is one of my favorite tools. I don't like to do paint stripper, so I use a lot of this Carbide scraping before I start sanding. But after a while, the Carbide scraper does start to get little nicks in it. I don't know if you can see that on here, but it gets little nicks. And then when you're scraping, like there's a big one right there. When you're scraping, you don't get a consistent scrape. It'll have lines in it from the little nicks that you have in the blade. So this is a Baco Carbide scraper, and on Amazon I just order an extra blade. This is what the blades look like, two-sided, and it's easy to change. You literally just unscrew this, loosen it up, take that one out. Now they are two-sided, so before you actually switch it out, turn it over and use the other side, but I've done that already, so it's time for a whole new one. Put it in there, make it sure it's centered and straight. Screw it in. There you go, all new.